Once you have your house nicely painted, be good to have a picture of it that you can put on your portfolio. So picking a good angle is important. We've actually got several angles on this house, but we're going to do a video in just a little bit. But let's get a picture of the house showing off all the hard work. So one of the things we're going to want to do before we download that PNG is going to be changing so we don't see the axis. I don't think that looks really good for our video or our pictures. So we're just going to hide that. We will need it when we center this for exporting to Blender, but we can actually use Dimension to also render a very nice view of our house. So I'm going to go ahead and export or download a PNG here. So I'm going to click on my three lines and download a PNG, and it does say SketchUp for Schools. We have this green background. If it's something that you're going to put on your portfolio, however, having that transparent background so it's just your house there is pretty nice. And we can get as close as possible without cutting anything off. If you're going to want to edit it and crop that SketchUp for Schools off, I don't think we should. But if you wanted to, you would want to make sure that that house is over to the side. And that way you can make a nice clean version of your house. It is kind of cartoon-like, and so we're going to want to render that in very high resolution as well. But notice that this default is my screen resolution, I guess. So we might want to make this 1920 by 1080. And now it's going to be our standard resolution. So change those numbers so that it makes a good size. If you wanted a 4K image, you could also do that and just put the 4K numbers in there instead. So right here, I've got a transparent background, 3/4 view of the house showing that the top of the chimney is hollow. I got my door and several windows visible, my trim, everything is looking good. So I'm going to export that as a PNG. It's going to have the name of the file, so whatever that name is, and let's go ahead and put that in our 3D program folder here. So I'm going to drag that picture over to the 3D modeling project folder, making it very easy to go in there, find the image, and put that on our portfolio. Now, next I'm going to show you how to get a better render of that house.